Tom wasn't expected to do that. Tom wasn't expected to do that. Tom went to ask Mary to do that. Tom went to ask Mary to do that. Tom will be too scared to do that. Tom will be too scared to do that. Tom will do that tomorrow, too. Tom will do that tomorrow, too. Tom will probably do that today. Tom will probably do that today. Tom will unlikely need to do that. Tom will unlikely need to do that. We didn't permit Tom to do that. We didn't permit Tom to do that. When did Tom ask you to do that? When did Tom ask you to do that? When would Tom like to do that? When would Tom like to do that? Where did Tom actually do that? Where did Tom actually do that? Who did Tom plan to do that with? 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 Why does Tom have to do that now? Why does Tom have to do that now? Why does Tom not want to do that? Why does Tom not want to do that? Why is Tom determined to do that? Why is Tom determined to do that? Why is Tom reluctant to do that? Why is Tom reluctant to do that? Why should Tom do that for Mary? Why should Tom do that for Mary? Why should Tom help Mary do that? Why should Tom help Mary do that? Why would Tom do that for Mary? Why would Tom do that for Mary? Why would Tom do that on purpose? Why would Tom do that on purpose? You and Tom don't often do that. You and Tom don't often do that. You can't let Tom do that to you. You can't let Tom do that to you. You saw Tom do that, didn't you? You saw Tom do that, didn't you? You shouldn't ask Tom to do that. You shouldn't ask Tom to do that. I came here to do that with Tom. I came here to do that with Tom. Are you sure Tom has to do that? Are you sure Tom has to do that? Can you prove Tom didn't do that? Can you prove Tom didn't do that? Don't let Tom do that with Mary. Don't let Tom do that with Mary. Even Tom doesn't want to do that. Even Tom doesn't want to do that. I didn't know if Tom could do that or not. I didn't know if Tom could do that or not. I don't want to see Tom do that. I don't want to see Tom do that. I haven't asked Tom to do that. I haven't asked Tom to do that. I hear Tom will do that tomorrow. I hear Tom will do that tomorrow. I hope Tom wants to do that too. I hope Tom wants to do that too. I knew you'd ask Tom to do that. I knew you'd ask Tom to do that. I know that Tom needs to do that. I know that Tom needs to do that. I know Tom will probably do that. I know Tom will probably do that. I know why Tom needs to do that. I know why Tom needs to do that. I know why Tom wanted to do that. I know why Tom wanted to do that. I should have Tom do that for me. I should have Tom do that for me. I think Tom is likely to do that. I think Tom is likely to do that. I think Tom may want to do that. I think Tom may want to do that. I think Tom still has to do that. I think Tom still has to do that. I want you to do that with Tom. I want you to do that with Tom. I wanted Tom to help me do that. I wanted Tom to help me do that. I wish Tom had agreed to do that. I wish Tom had agreed to do that. I won't ask Tom to do that again. I won't ask Tom to do that again. I won't tell Tom how to do that. I won't tell Tom how to do that. I wonder if Tom likes to do that. I wonder if Tom likes to do that. I wonder why Tom didn't do that. I wonder why Tom didn't do that.